Yeah, what's up everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be doing a very simple worship progression where we'll look at how to follow loop. And this is a very simple worship loop. As you can see, it's currently playing on. You can see it very simple and straightforward. So whenever you are following loop, you must neither be too fast, neither be too slow. You must just follow it accurately. So if you look at the counting, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see. It's a very simple progression. I'm currently on G. F again. F major. We are going to G. You see, I'm just playing with my F G. You can see, I play with E there, then I return to F. Let's go again on G. Currently I'll F major. Let's go. G. B, E, F. Okay. We are going to G. Okay, if you find this video very helpful, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, I do video tutorial on keyboard and guitar. Okay. Very simple. Okay, let me break what I just played down in a very simple form. Okay, remember, always count the beat. Okay, I'm going to F. You can see currently on F. F is, if you don't understand what I'm playing, check my playlist. I've done a lot of video on how to get started. I started with Tony's over where we played the re, mi, fa, so and the rest. Just check the description of the video. I will attach it there. Okay, now F, then we are going to G next. Very simple. Then F again. F major. We are going back to F again. B, E, F, then G. Okay, let's look at this song. Okay, that is Yahweh. Let me go once more again.